This is the story of how Galen sold his Piney Flats, Tennessee home as is, relocating out of the area, skipped every update and closed quickly. He didn't have time to fix it up and wasn't going to manage a renovation from another state. Favor Home Solutions made it easy. Here's how it happened. When Galen accepted an opportunity that took him out of the area, he faced a situation a lot of relocating homeowners know well. A house that needed work, a move that needed to happen, and a traditional real estate process that wasn't designed to accommodate either one at the same time. His Piney Flats, Tennessee home was livable and had served him well, but it carried the kind of dated finishes, aging fixtures, and deferred updates that buyers on the open market tend to flag or use as bargaining chips. The conventional advice he kept hearing was to invest in updates before listing. Freshen the kitchen, address the cosmetic issues, make it show-ready. But Galen was already managing the logistics of a move across state lines. He didn't have the bandwidth to run a renovation project from a distance, and he didn't want to sink money into a property he was leaving behind. Every week the home sat on the market would mean another week of carrying costs, utilities, insurance, lawn care, on a house he was no longer living in. And every part of the update and list path worked against him. Updates meant money and time he didn't have, coordinated from another state. Listing as is meant buyers flagging the dated finishes and chipping at the price. And waiting out a market timeline meant carrying an empty house for months. None of it matched the move he was actually making. Then Galen reached out to Favor Home Solutions after exploring what a traditional listing would really look like. They buy houses across Piney Flats and all of Tennessee, in any condition, with no update requirements and no inspection contingencies, on a timeline built around the seller's move. He explained it plainly. Relocating, the property needs updates he wasn't going to make, and he needed a clean, quick exit. From there, it was straightforward. First, Favor Home Solutions made a cash offer on the property in its current condition, reflecting what it was worth as is. Then there was no requirement to update or fix anything, and nothing to spend before closing. And finally, the closing timeline was built around his relocation schedule. Here's what Galen walked away with. The home sold completely as is, dated finishes, aging fixtures, deferred updates, and all with nothing to touch. He didn't delay his move by a day, the timeline built around his relocation. And he moved on without looking back, proceeds collected, the property someone else's responsibility. Look at the numbers. $0 spent on updates before selling. 0 weeks his move was delayed. Favor Home Solutions made a fair offer on the home as it stood and closed around his schedule. And the property stopped standing between him and his move. No renovation to run from another state. No money sunk into a house he was leaving. No financed buyer chipping at the price. No carrying costs on an empty home while it sat. The update list and all of it became someone else's responsibility. The result? Galen closed, collected his proceeds, and moved forward. The property, updates, and all was someone else's responsibility from that point on, and he moved on without looking back. Maybe Galen's situation sounds familiar. We help Tennessee homeowners in all kinds of circumstances. Relocating out of the area. A home that needs updates you won't make. Managing a sale from a distance, dated finishes that buyers flag, any condition, or simply needing a clean, quick exit. If you need to sell during a relocation in Piney Flats or anywhere across Tennessee, Favor Home Solutions can help. As is, no updates, no commissions, a fair offer and a close built around your move. Reach out today for your free, no-obligation cash offer.